the stall of pet care, our main sponsors, and collect goodies from them. Thank you.
After doggo match in ring number 3, we'll be judging with doggy rebar racks. All owners of doggy rebar racks, please bring your dogs to waiting ring number 3.
To attention exhibitors, in ring number 1 we will be judging the Rottweiler. After the Rottweiler we will be judging the Mastiff. I request all the Mastiff exhibitors to please get ready your dogs to ring number 1 immediately. I'll repeat. In ring number 1 we will be judging the Rottweiler. After the Rottweiler we will be judging the Mastiff. I request all the Mastiff exhibitors to get ready your dogs to report to the waiting number 1. Thank you.
Doggy rebar racks owners, please bring your dogs to waiting ring number 3.
Yeah, sir. That's what I do. It's recording.